Happy Monday, Antelope Valley. I hope everyone's well and that you had a pleasant weekend. It is September 8th, 2025. I'm Mark Troth, broker and co-owner of Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Troth Realtors, right here in Lancaster, California, bringing you this week's version of the Antelope Valley Real Estate Market Update, where week in and week out we take a look at exactly what's going on in our local real estate market. As I like to point out every week, Phil, it's important for residents, property owners here in our valley to have a trusted local resource to go to follow along with the trends in our Antelope Valley real estate market. Often our statistics get lumped in with the greater Los Angeles County, Southern California area, and our statistics are definitely unique onto themselves. Also, like to point out every week that our statistics are courtesy of the Greater Antelope Valley Association of Realtors. So let's go ahead and jump right in and take a look at our statistics. But if you can't tell, I got a little frog in my throat this morning, so try to keep it down there while we go through the statistics. Active listings just took a little bit of a bump up, about seven more this Monday than we had last Tuesday. Last Monday was a holiday, so up less than 1%. Fourth week in a row, our pendings, those properties in escrow under contract, a nice little jump, up seven from where we were this time last week to 424, so a 1.7% increase. So that's good to start to see some buyers get back into the market. We're hoping next week, I believe it is, that we could actually see the Federal Reserve make a first drop in interest rates in a while. Hopefully that'll have and continue to have a good effect on mortgage rates. Right now, I read an article this morning, mortgage rates are about the lowest they've been in 11 months. So it could start to bring some additional buyers in off the fence and into the market, which would definitely be a good thing. So last week, from November 1st to November 7th, new listings on the market, 105. That was up from 76 last week. Remember, we had Labor Day last week, so only dealing with 4/5 of a week, and typically week before, week after can be a little bit sluggish and stuff. So anyway, it could be interesting to see where that continues to go. Median list price bumped up 7.5% from 465 to 500. New properties into escrow down just a bit from the prior week, but like I said, overall a gain for the total number. 72 last week under contract in escrow. Median number of days those properties were on the market, up 6 days. Last week it was up 12 days. So we are definitely seeing that trend that we're moving away from a total seller's market more into a balanced market. Some of those properties that went under contract had recent price adjustments, and so it made it far more attractive, and the buyers are definitely taking a second look at those as the sellers get more anxious with their price. And so that's once again, overall, it's a good thing for our market to have a healthy market, a balance between buyers and sellers, because it definitely helps make our market healthy. For a long time, it was such an aggressive seller's market that it was keying out a lot of first-time buyers and entry-level buyers. So kind of a good thing. Listings sold last week, and this would be reflective of that September 1st Labor Day. 42 down from the prior week when we were 58. Of course, the prior week would have been the end of August, and we always seem to have quite a few more closings as we hit the end of the month, if you will. So let's see where that number goes next week. I have a feeling it'll be substantially higher. Median sales price down from 480 to 450, so down 6.3%. And so that's once again reflective of this overall slow moving shift in our market, where just not a lot of the upper end stuff. There is some of that stuff, let's say that stuff for properties over 600,000 that are selling and going into escrow. But the majority of activity we're seeing is truly under that 550 range and below. So median sales price down 6.3%. So it's kind of a mixed bag once again. with our market and some good signs, some trends we'll continue to watch moving forward through the balance of September and into the fall and fourth quarter market. But as always, if there's any other statistics, information about our market that myself or any of our trusted associates here at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Troth Realtors can provide you, by all means, please do not hesitate to reach out to us, where we have proudly been serving the Antelope Valley real estate market since 1957. All right, everybody, take care, make it a great week, and we will chat with you next Monday. All righty, bye bye.